Good morning, class. Today, we are going to explore an interesting and important topic: digital footprints. We'll discuss what they are, why they matter, and how we can manage them. Deepak, why don't you start us off?
Sure. So, a digital footprint is basically the trail we leave behind when we use the internet. This includes things like the websites we visit, the emails we send, the posts we like or comment on, and even the photos we upload. It's like a record of our online activities.
That's right, Deepak. And our digital footprints can be both positive and negative. For example, if we post kind comments or share useful information, that's part of a positive digital footprint. But if we share something inappropriate or mean, that can create a negative footprint.
Exactly, Purv. That's why it's important to be careful about what we do online. Everything we do leaves a mark, and sometimes, that mark can last a long time. Even if we delete something, it might still be out there somewhere.
Yes, Nikhil. And it's not just about what we post ourselves. Even things that others post about us can become part of our digital footprint. That's why it's important to think about who we are sharing information with and what we allow others to tag us in.
I agree, Disa. And another thing to consider is privacy settings. By using the right privacy settings, we can control who sees our information and reduce the chances of leaving a negative digital footprint. It's like putting a lock on our online activities.
That's a good point, Neha. But we should also be aware of how companies and websites collect information about us. Sometimes, our digital footprint is created without us even realizing it, like when we agree to terms and conditions without reading them.
True, Deepak. And that's why it's important to be informed and cautious online. We should always be mindful of the information we are sharing and think about the long-term effects it might have on our digital reputation.
And let's not forget, our digital footprint can also affect things like job opportunities or college admissions in the future. That's why it's important to start building a positive digital presence now.
Exactly, Nikhil. Being responsible online doesn't just help us today, it can have a big impact on our future. So, let's make sure we're always putting our best foot forward, even in the digital world.
Absolutely. By being careful with what we post, using strong privacy settings, and thinking about how our actions affect our digital footprint, we can all create a positive and safe online presence.
Excellent discussion, everyone. You've covered the key aspects of digital footprints very well. Remember, everything we do online leaves a mark, so let's make sure it's a good one. Keep being thoughtful and responsible digital citizens.